What's up, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody, and look, I got a lot to talk about today. I've been wanting to get a video like this. I've been seeing everybody do their little videos, but look, I'm here to help. I'm trying to tell you what they talking about, dead. That's dead. We not worried about what they talk about. We gonna talk about the sneakers app today and basically how we gonna increase your chances of copping on there because it works. No cap. You see the Just Steal It tape? That means we hit on Nike. If you've been tuned into the channel, you saw where I got these from. So we gonna get a quick look at them, and then and then I'm gonna tell you how to hit on sneakers. Oh yes, real quick. All right. If you want a detailed review, hit that thumbs up. I can go back and do a detailed review. I'm gonna give you a few looks. And as you can see right there, move this out the way. All right, cool. So this released before. I'm not gonna try to think of the year. You know what year it dropped. You go correct me in the comments. They dropped a while ago, redropped. It was a pack. The pack had a box in. The box kind of looked like this. You know what I'm saying? With wood all over it. You got that Toro Bravo right there. Hopefully it'll zoom in and capture that. But yeah, you know what shoe this is. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. You seen it all week. You seen it previously. You seen it months before. I'm not gonna hold y'all up because y'all here for something else. Quick. All right. Shoelaces is hanging out my shoes. I have a hair on my shoe as well. Interesting. Let me throw this in the garbage. But yeah. Outside, outsole, back. Yeah. Let's see this other pair. Oh my goodness, they just did me dirty. Sure. The men's size sticker is in the box. Look at this. That's whatever, dog. I'll take them out anyways. I throw these away. It don't matter to me. I hit on these on sneakers. I hit on a gray school and a men's pair. Gray school gone. They already sold. My girl didn't want them. She's like, she don't like fives. I'm like, all right, cool. Hit up one of the homies. She was like, she needed one. I'm like, all right, cool. Got you. That's besides the fact. Look, sneakers app. So you can know you can hit on shoes. Look. All right, so sneakers app. So if you're watching this video, hey, go ahead and open up your sneakers app real quick. I'm gonna just give you a breakdown of what you need to do in order to start hitting. You're not gonna hit every pair. This is factual. You're not gonna hit every pair. You don't win everything in life. But hey, when you do win, you appreciate it. But look, listen, on the sneakers app, they basically want you to use it like social media for shoes. Even though you can't post anything, you can only buy stuff. But they want you to use it like for social media for shoes. So they have a like button on every single thing they post. All right, they have a like button on every single thing they post. I'm gonna need you to hit that. I'm gonna need you to tap that. I'm gonna need you to smack that. Okay, I'm gonna need you to like every single thing you see on the sneakers app. Please like it. I don't care if you don't like the shoes. Like it, please. You need to like it. You need to make sure all your billing information, all your cards updated, ready to go. Put that on there. Cool. You got that set, right? You scrolling through, you liking everything right now, right? Because if not, I don't know why you're watching this video. But yeah, scroll through, like, yeah, like, all right, cool. Now they be having stories on there. Now I know you not, unless you're interested, unless you're really curious, you can watch it. I'll be on my phone. I'll be send that thing to the side. I let that thing run. Look, every single day. I don't care if you watch the same video 10 times. Go back and watch it again every single day. Because basically they have bot protection, right? So there's still bots out there for sneakers. Some of them went off of a luck of a draw somehow, and they be having hundreds of Nike accounts. You just want to hit your size, you know what I'm saying? So the best thing you can do is just use your personal account. If you feel like your account's broken, you can create a new account and then follow the same process. Scroll through. I'm gonna need you to like everything, because the way how their bot protection works is filtering out accounts. So if they see that this account isn't active, you're not gonna get it. So if you literally only log onto sneakers app on Saturdays just to get shoes, your likeliness is probably not gonna be high of getting them. I'm just being honest. Now I've hit on numerous different shoes. I got these. I got Mocha 1s. I've gotten the University Gold 9s. I just hit on the restock for a whole bunch of Jordan 1s. I got the Volt Jordan 1s. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna give a disclaimer out there. Yes, this is gonna increase your chance. I guarantee you follow this method, whatever day you're watching this, whenever you start doing this, however many drops it is, you're gonna hit something within the next month. It may be a toddler size. It may be your size. you know, maybe a grade school size that you might not even wear, but you gonna start hitting. I'm gonna need you to follow Soul Links. I'm gonna need you to follow Site Supply. I'm gonna need all these Twitter accounts. If you want shoes, you can't just do the bare minimum anymore. The time and place for that is gone. You relying on your store, it's gone. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, but the game has changed. You don't know, I'm trying to put you up on game, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna need you to go through, they got stories on there, like the story, watch it 50 times, I don't care. You wanna make sure your account's active. If you wanna send it to yourself via text message, you can do that too, so it can make it seem like you shared it. Click the link on the text message, and then go back to the story and watch it again, so it can show that somebody clicked on the link and then watched it. All of this stuff helps. Don't sit here and buy all the all white Air Force Ones and all the all black Air Force Ones on sneakers or whatever's available just because you feel like, oh, the more money you spend, the more shoes you. No, literally, that's not the case. They just want to make sure that you're an active account. Now, it's still luck of the draw, but hey, it boosts it a lot better than before. So I'm gonna need y'all to do all of those steps. And Instagram's down below. Follow me on Instagram. It's IamMoodD. Follow my Instagram. Look, if you start hitting, like, let me know that you watched this video and it helped you in the comment section below. Look, we got a big release coming up, which is going to be the Hyper Royal ones. They just put it to a draw. I have not won a single pair of dunks yet. Okay, so I have no hope this weekend for Sneakers app. If I hit, I'm gonna be surprised. That's gonna be the biggest W I've ever gotten on the Sneakers app, just for the simple fact that I've never hit in a draw. So every single day, I'm going on the Sneakers app, like, scrolling through, oh yeah, like, and then I'm going through, watching this story. Okay, that's cool. Sit it to the side. When it goes to the next one, oh, it's done. Next story, sit it to the side, you know what I'm saying? That is what you need to do on Sneakers app. Plain and simple, the proof's in the pudding. That's it, man. Oh, hold up. Add a profile picture. Add a profile picture. You have the ability to add one. Post a picture of some shoes, some random. Put something on your account. You wanna have like some type of, you know, account profile picture. I got a profile picture on there. Maybe that's because I started hitting. You never know. You need to do all of these things, because there's no way how, you know, I'm hitting, you know, all these different amount of times and it wasn't because I started doing this method. This is it. I don't care what everybody else is talking about. You know, I'm the underdog here. You feel what I'm saying? I don't care about what nobody else is talking about. Follow these methods, man. I'm trying to tell you, I don't get everything, but hey, I've been hitting a lot more frequently, and apparently you want to start hitting frequently too. So I'm gonna need you to hit that like button. Now I'm gonna need you to subscribe to the channel, tingling that bell, so you know whenever I drop videos. I do a lot of other stuff on this channel. I'm not just a sneaker YouTube. I will never put myself in that box. They be, oh my goodness, sneaker YouTubers, wow. They be, they be stressing if they don't get that shoe. Look, I cut my own hair. I play the game. I'm putting that all on my channel. I only got 100 subscribers, so whatever grabs your attention, reactions, I'm gonna do it. You know, it's not one of those channels that's like, oh, he only does this, so I'm only using for this. Nah, you gonna get everything out of me. Whoa, not like that, chill. But yeah, that's it. I appreciate y'all for sticking around to this video, man. I hope this is very informative for you guys, and hopefully you guys start hitting. Hopefully you hit this weekend, because this weekend is gonna be a very big drop. I'm trying to tell you. Whew. I'm gonna make other videos if y'all want me to. Leave a comment down below. But definitely like this video, because that's what helps my videos get broadcasted. So if you feel like I'm the best sneaker YouTuber or whatever, I can, you know, I'm gonna post about shoes, but I'm not about to sit here and post only shoes. Just to let y'all know, just to be clear. But yeah, it's your boy Moody. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. This is what happens when you use the method. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I appreciate y'all. Hopefully I see you in the next video. Peace out. Go ahead, get on out of here.